A woman told police that a man forced his way into her upscale hotel in Chicago's River North neighborhood and sexually assaulted her.
She arrived in Chicago expecting a peaceful break, staying at a River North hotel to unwind, explore the city, and enjoy quiet moments away from routine life. Everything felt normal at first, from morning coffee walks to capturing the glow of Chicago's streets, until one moment inside the hotel changed everything in a way she could never have expected. She was not someone who stood out in a crowd. She was the kind of traveler who noticed small details: early morning light on glass buildings, quiet streets before traffic, and the rhythm of a city waking up. She kept photos from every trip, as a way of holding on to moments that felt calm and unguarded. When she checked into a River North hotel in Chicago, it was meant to be a quiet pause in her life, not a place where hotel sexual abuse would later become part of her story. She was sexually assaulted by a hotel desk clerk during her stay. She had returned to her room after spending time outside, expecting a normal evening inside a place built on routine and safety. The door closed behind her. Nothing felt unusual at first, but in that moment, a hotel desk clerk with access crossed a boundary that should never have been crossed. It became a case of hotel sexual abuse, unfolding inside a system where everything appears controlled on the surface, even when something has already gone wrong underneath. Afterward, she sat on the edge of the bed without moving. The room looked unchanged, but she could not separate it from what had just happened. Even hallway footsteps felt heavier. The most unsettling part was that nothing outside reacted. The hotel continued as if nothing had changed. When she finally left, it was quiet. No confrontation, just distance. What had been a short stay no longer felt like something she could leave behind. In the days that followed, travel stopped feeling simple. Even checking into hotels created hesitation. The spaces that once felt neutral now felt uncertain, shaped by what she experienced and the reality of sexual assault in hotels, where harm is not always visible at the moment it occurs, but hidden inside systems built on trust. Her family noticed the change before she spoke about it. She became withdrawn and distant from anything involving travel. Eventually, they turned to a hotel sexual assault lawyer, trying to understand how a hotel desk clerk could have been placed in a position with such access. What emerged were gaps in supervision and reporting that had gone unaddressed. Another case showed how widespread those failures could be. A 13-year-old girl staying at a Residence Inn by Marriott during her family's home renovation was assaulted by a housekeeping employee who used cleaning access to enter rooms without permission. Investigators later found failures in background screening despite prior sexual offense-related charges. A jury awarded her family $29,400,000. That case became part of a wider pattern of hotel sexual assault lawsuits, where attention shifted from isolated incidents to how access itself is granted and controlled. In the hotel desk clerk case, a hotel sexual assault attorney reviewing records found no single catastrophic failure. Instead, small decisions and missed warnings created conditions where harm could occur. With the help of the injury lawyer team, she and her family ultimately reached a settlement of $21 million. And even now, one question remains. How many moments of hotel sexual abuse never reach a report or courtroom because nothing looked wrong until it was already too late? Grab your free case review via the link in description or pinned comment, or visit injurylawyerteam.com.